Welcome back, Why Not Travelers? Thanks for joining us today as we explore the Riverwalk in San Antonio, Texas. Things are beginning to open up during this pandemic, and we're just bringing you the latest information and some secret gems that were found along the Riverwalk. So whether you're looking to vacation or to do a destination wedding, there's something in this video for you to learn.
The Riverwalk began as an anti-flood project after it used to flood every 10 or 15 years in the 1800s. They started making retaining walls in the 1930s, and after the Hemisphere in 1968, businesses started really coming down to the area. As you can see right now, it is magnificent. The second biggest tourist attraction in San Antonio, behind, of course, the Alamo. Today, the Riverwalk is home to many restaurants and shops, including some very famous ones, such as the one we have coming up here, the Saltgrass on the left-hand side.
Unfortunately, the riverboats aren't yet operating in San Antonio, but we expect that to happen fairly soon. As you can see, the tourists are coming back and the restaurants are opening up. It's good to see. If you're looking for a mid-priced hotel in the Riverwalk area, especially neat because they do contain some balcony rooms, this Courtyard by Marriott might be a good location.
Number one tourist attraction in San Antonio, of course, is the Alamo. It's only a few hundred yards from the Riverwalk, super easy to get to, and right in the middle of Hotel Row. Unfortunately today, due to the pandemic we're facing, the Alamo is closed. We'll have to come back another day and show you the rest of town.
Here's just some more scenes of San Antonio and the old Riverwalk location, and super perfect day out for enjoying a stroll. And that one of the great things about the San Antonio Riverwalk is that you can actually do your wine tasting while you're walking and while you're shopping. They have an open carry policy where you can, we call it a get a travelo, so you can take it with you to go. And yes, the Riverwalk is dog friendly and allows you to take a little sippy with you on your stroll. You can order to go. So if you are interested in a smallish wedding, quaint, cute, adorable wedding in San Antonio in the Riverwalk, right on the street level is this quaint little church that would be so perfectly awesome for such an occasion. Go peek inside. I don't know if it's going to be open or not. It says the Little Church of La Villita was built here in 1846. Then the German Methodists erected this Gothic Revival church. A workman called an Olaf, a Norwegian sailor, carved the pegs and hinges that latchet the shaped casement windows. The Episcopal Diocese of West Texas bought the church in 1895. The city of San Antonio acquired title in 1945, and it's on the Texas Historic See if we can peek inside. Oh. The exterior of the church is all stone. There's the church bell. And these are those gorgeous casement windows. There's some stained glass decor in the back at the altar. But you can see how just adorable the whole neighborhood is, honestly, but this little church just stood out to me as being just the perfect little location. But yet access, easy access.
A little more information about the church in the Riverwalk area. It has seating for approximately 100 guests. It is air conditioned. It includes the pews. Parking is off-site, so your guests would need to make parking reservations. I would say it's walking distance from many different hotel locations. They have several ceremony packages, some of them starting for as low as $200 and going on up to small wedding packages and such, approximately $700 and up. So just to give you kind of a brief idea, and luckily Why Not Travel is a travel agency, so we can help you with coordinating your arrivals for guests, hotel accommodations, and such. Thanks so much for joining us on our journey today. We just want to remind you that we are continuously posting new videos about places to travel, things to taste, and places to get married. Please consider liking and subscribing.